Hey, have 5 minutes? Let's make a page by cutting this photo right down the middle. Hi friends, how are you? You heard that right, I'm taking this cute photo and cutting it right down the middle and making a page just like this. By the way, I'm your next stop at Scrappy Sisters Scraptember, hosted by Laura Alberts, and my day is Surprise Rainbow. If you haven't heard of the series, check out everyone participating this week in the info box below. Now I'm taking this punching out 8 tabs, typing on them, and sewing some lines on the bottom with rainbow colors using my Gutermann thread. From here, I'm marking where my photos will be, because I will be taking my brand new star stencil from the Scrapping Reflection store and spackling on some Liquitex modeling paste through it. Sandy, the owner, has lots of unique and practical goodies on there, so please go check her out in the link below. I say it's practical because it's awesome using a stencil that takes up the entire page, and I don't have to lift up a tiny stencil, wait for it to dry, screening through it again and again. You get the point. So, so very pretty. So after this is all dry, from here I want to mark off where my tags will go, because I want to create some color splashes behind each tag that correspond with the color thread. I'm going to use my beloved Lindy's Gang Magicals powder. I will say it once, I'll say it again, I've used the heck out of these and there's still no end in sight. I love them because they're in powder form, so you can really control the saturation and, in my case, the mess. So I love watching this part, by the way, because the stars really come out, kind of like some sort of magic ink revealing potion or whatnot. From here, I'm just splattering and splattering some more, merging the splatters and then splattering after that. So for me, I like watching this part. If you don't dig this part, scroll over to 3 minutes and 52 seconds. I will just hang back, let the music play, and I'll come back once I have done all of my little pools. Alright, I'm back. I pulled this awesome grungy stamp set out of my pile. I'm pretty sure I got it out of the $2.50 pile at Joann's and don't have the brand anymore, but I picked it because the letters are all different sizes, much like a small child's writing. I did have to go over it a couple of times too to get that really bold black color as well, and to really provide that stark contrast, I took my football pen to outline all of the letters as well. When I have all sorts of colors, I like to have something unifying it, like this multicolored paper from Pebble's Live Life Happy collection that I backed my page with. It just kind of helps pull everything together for me in my mind. I'm hearing my tabs as well as my photos, and I've mounted everything on my Sizzix 1/2 inch thick foam adhesive tape. Now, I usually mat my photos with at least white cardstock, and I didn't this time. They look a little naked to me, so in the meantime, I'm pulling from my Bella Boulevard Squeeze the Day chipboard sticker collection, and I'm just filling in some gaps here with some embellishments, and the green one is actually 2 leaves. Since I didn't have a green heart, I just kind of put them together, and hopefully it kind of looks like a heart hiding behind a tag here. So I decide the photos are really bothering me. So I'm going back and I'm using this faux stitched stamp that the lovely Miss Amber got for me last year at our Secret Not Secret Kit Club retreat in Big Bear. Definitely missing that this year, unfortunately. But it definitely makes me feel a little better as it's helping to carry that black from my stitched title throughout the page a little bit more. Now I'm just re-gluing the embellishments I popped off, but that's pretty much it. It's a fun page. Took me under an hour. It's bright, simple, a little messy, and happy. If you have some extra time today, take a look at one of my 3 playlists for some more fun scrappy content. I have my scrapbook process videos, I have process videos for Paper House Productions design team, and I have tutorials on how you can scrap digitally only using your smartphone. Thank you so much for stopping by, and have a beautiful day.